The project management body of knowledge defines a project phase as a collection of logically related project activities that culminates in the completion of one or more deliverables. That is probably one of the biggest aspects of a phase, that it results in deliverables at the end. In other words, we can define the end of a phase by providing the deliverables. Not just that, but there are few other attributes that should be looked at when thinking about a phase. Entrance criteria and exit criteria. What needs to happen that the phase can be started, and what needs to happen that the phase can be considered complete. For example, the design document must be approved to consider the end of the design phase. Foundation design must be complete to start the construct phase. Resource requirements for a phase can also be used for resource planning and management. Phase audits or verifications can also be set up. Phases usually are established based on common industry practices or as per client requirements or management preference, maybe technology characteristics or decision points like funding approval or audit for go-no-go decisions, or maybe even billing needs. The biggest benefit of using phases is that it gives better control over the project work. The phase audit could be a formal audit or just a review at the end of a phase. There are two main benefits usually derived from this activity. These are continuous improvement and decision about the project. A phase gate is an excellent opportunity to review the performance within the phase, find out good and bad practices. The report may identify compliance with methodology, but definitely the non-compliances are reported. The other benefit is that it provides a decision point of should the project move to the next phase with some modification, stay in the same phase, repeat the phase, or end the project. By the way, gates are also sometimes called a phase review, stage gate, kill point, phase entrance, or phase exit.